Hi! In front of me is LENOVO TAB M9 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, in this pop-up to disable location, you need to choose close. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location of my tablet is off. But you can always switch it back on by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also just go into settings, scroll down and click on location section. Then click on this switcher next to use location feature to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!